Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into s squared multiplied by s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2 minus s squared. Because we still have s squared in here, so I will put this one go to the left, u will put on the right, and we have s squared equals to 2 minus u. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared you got about 2s ds. First derivative of u, we have number 1, but we have the negative sign here, so we have negative du. First derivative of number 2, that is about the constant. You got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S squared we change by 2 minus u. S ds we change by negative 1 over 2 du. So we have u to the power of 12 multiplied by number 2 and u. Now, we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 13 over 13. The next one, that's about u to the power of 14 over 14. And we put about c. About u, that's about 2 minus s squared. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.